I love Poshmark. Poshmark has been a life changer for me. It's a place where you could buy and sell fashion and accessories and much more. I've been with Poshmark for a year and I have accomplished a lot, and I I can't express more of how I just fell in love with the amp. I have made a good amount of money selling on Poshmark, and not only have I sold a lot of items, I also bought a few items before that is very affordable, and you could buy very affordable fashion and accessories there. It could be could be name brand, or you can find almost anything on there. I bought these earrings in Poshmark. I love these earrings, and this a choker right here. It's a beautiful choker. I love it, and I got it for a great price. There is an excellent community where you could share your thoughts, and if you're confused about anything, they will gladly help you. And they make things, keep things fresh and interesting to keep you up to date or excited to see what's next or want to do more. I've made a good amount of money selling on Poshmark, and it's a very easy amp to use. You can download the amp and find a product, say that you don't use, say you have, a lot of everybody has products in their house that they no longer want, that's in great condition, or not no longer, that don't use. A lot of people have products that they don't use, so you could take that item, instead of throwing it away or have it there collecting dust, take that item, get the amp, take some nice beautiful pictures of the item, and put a little description and just list it, and that's it. And you'd be surprised at how fast you could get a sale. I remember when I got my first sale, I was like so excited. I made $175, and it's like, I was like, wow, this is a real thing right here. They wasn't joking when you could say you can make money on it. I feel anybody can make money on it. It's just that easy. Some people make hundreds, some people make thousands. I've seen people that in just a short period of time made $100,000. So you can do it. Anybody could do it. So you can do it. Anybody could do it. Get in there. Get the Poshmark amp. Download it today. And I can't wait to see you there.